Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at the Lego key hanger. And as near as I can figure, it's number 853913. And I think this is intended as like a thing you put on your wall, where you can, like, if you have, say, a 2x4 brick on your keychain, pardon me, a 2x4 brick on your keychain, then you can like hang it up here. So let's take a look at this thing. If you're interested in this, I'll include links in the description, or you can find this on Amazon and also the brick set reference. Alright, so let's see. Now we got the stuff here. Like so. And we got double-sided sticky tape for attaching it to the wall. So we aren't going to need this, or at least not right now. So you get a black 2x4 brick as like a little keychain, which is kind of cool. Alright, so let's take a look at this thing and see what we got to do to put it together. Alright, seems pretty straightforward so far. And I suspect, this is just me guessing, that these are going to be symmetrical. So, do that and that. And then that, and like so. Right there, and right there. And I'm assuming we'll have a 1x4 to attach those together. Yep, there we go. I have a 1x4 to attach these together, which would be right here and right here, hiding out. And then look, we attach that one, and like so, and then we have, that's super weird. So we've got a 2x3 and a 2x3 and a 2x4 and a 2x4 and a 2x4. Where's the last one? Here we go. Like so. And then I'm guessing this is going to be like couple of 1x10s. Oh, flip it over. Alright. So 1x6 and a 1x6. I guess this is so it'll sit flat on the wall, maybe? Like so. And like so. Make sure these are on camera. And here. And two more 1x4s. And I assume, oh, that's interesting. So the plan, I'm guessing, is you attach these double-sided things to these inverted tiles. So one inverted tile, two, and then one in the middle, 3, 4, and 5. That's kind of interesting. I was wondering how these would come into play. I mean, I was assuming we're sticking to something. And then the last thing we do is we add some 1x6s here. That works out nicely. So it's just straight 18 across, huh? And the last one. And then after that, you can line up your bricks. Red, orange, yellow, green, a little more green, blue, a little bit less blue, brown, and the keychain, like so. And if you don't want the keychain, you can swap it out for this brick right here. It's kind of cool, I guess. It's an interesting key thing. I don't know how well it would work if we actually tried to use it on the wall. I feel like it would pop off. I don't know. It's kind of neat, though. I'm not unhappy to get another one of these. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you have any questions, I'll leave links in the description where you can find this on Amazon and Bricklink. Yeah, I had to put on my reading glasses. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.